And we say, always remember to pray going out, pray coming in, and always remember God is always, always in control, ladies and gentlemen. So God bless you all, and we'll see you at the next show. And just stay safe every time. Here we go.
I'm reminded of this song. The Holy Ghost power is moving just like a magnet. This is an RM production. Thanking the Most High for life, blessings and honor. You listening, sisters and brothers. God bless you. In the stillness of the night, when shadows draw near, now I'm cool, remember, the Lord's always here. In Psalm 30, he turns our mourning to joy. With each passing moment, his love will employ.